Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Goel and I passed class 12 from St. Xavier's Collegiate School. This year I will be joining IIIT Bhubaneswar and today I am here to share a few tips regarding the preparation of joint entrance examination. And since I prepared for this examination for 2 years, I am well acquainted with the mistakes one can commit during the preparation. So I will be highlighting those mistakes as well. Now coming to JEE Mains, looking at the level of questions that have been asked in this examination in the recent years and moreover looking at the rising competition, your primary focus should be more on quantity rather than quality. By this, I mean to say that you do not need to dive deep into the concepts, but you should try to cover all the concepts at a basic level. So the ideal roadmap is that as the teacher here at Zenith covers a particular chapter or lecture, you should go home and try to revise the class notes. Go through the concepts and get familiarized with the ideas. And once you are clear with the concept, you should directly move to PYQs of that particular chapter. Solving PYQs will help you in many ways. Chapter-wise PYQs are available everywhere. You can either refer to online resources or you can either buy a book. Solving PYQs will help you, it will give you that confidence that is required that you are able to solve the questions from the actual examination. You will be able to identify the most important topics of a particular chapter and you will be mark them those and try to focus on them during your preparation phase of 2 years. Secondly, the most important part is revision. You should try to revise the class notes as much as possible. Practice those same PYQs as much as possible during your preparation phase of 2 years. And if you do this, I can well assure you that you will be able to get a good percentile in your JEE Mains. And converting that good percentile into very good percentile will depend on your speed and accuracy in the examination, which you can improve by giving as many mock tests as possible. Coming to JEE Advanced, your primary focus should be on concepts. Apart from class notes, you can refer 2 to 3 books, 1 to 2 books for theory, and once you're clear with the theory, you should go to high-level problems from some good level books. Lastly, I would like to tell you that there will be many ups and downs in your preparation, but you shouldn't lose confidence and most importantly, the motivation to crack the exam. You should always ask doubts. The teachers here at Zenith are extremely good. They are always ready to help you to solve your doubts. Varun sir is one of the best physics teachers I've ever met. He's always there to help you. Initially, I was very weak in maths, but with the help of Amit sir, he helped me a lot, and from his help only I was able to improve my maths drastically. Here at Zenith, mock tests are taken regularly, and which helps you to get familiarized with the exam environment. Thank you and best of luck.